Thank you. Hello everyone, this is Anita C. So right now I am at TwinPalms Tented Camp, tent 13A. I actually love to try this product out because it's really a tent. So everything here is not a wall or anything. It's actually canvas. So it's a real camp here, but of course it's the glamping concept. So you can see, when I walk in, and everything is really more than a luxury villa. Okay, so they do have, the ceiling fan, they do have air conditioning, and then almost everything. The only thing they don't have, which you'll find it funny, is a telephone and a television. So when I check in, they ask me to download an app, which they can send me message. But there's no phone and no television in my camp, in my tented camp. Okay, it's really, really nice. It's really interesting, and really no cement, not wood. It's all, this material is all canvas for the whole camp. So it's really my glamping experience. Just quickly walk through. I'm pretty sure you're as interested as I am. This is a work desk, and then you see this is the handmade leather, very high quality. And here is the Nespresso coffee machine. That's next, the mini bar, the kettle, and then the safe deposit boxes here, and then of course, the capsules, the tea bags is here, and they also have the mini bar, which you have to pay, and that is the price for the mini bar, which is fine. And this looks like, some African kind of tent that we have been to, with that feel of a safari type, if you know what I mean. With the plant, painting, the pineapple, and some like zebra type of cushion and everything. You really mix up the feeling of that. Okay, so full poster bed with a plant inside. Okay, and then let me go into the washroom first. Okay, very interesting. Double sink, and this is the closet. Okay, with the slippers, with the hangers and everything. And then of course they have the bathrobes, the mirror, and they have the rain shower here, and the amenities, as well as the toilet and such. Okay, so you have seen the bedroom, you have seen the bathroom. Now let's move to the living room. So this is the living room. Oh wow. You really give me that feel, of like an African safari, a lodge or glamping experience that we have before. So thank you very much, to a handwritten note for my visit from the general manager. A lacy chair here, a beach bag that we can use when we stay at this property. And then the sofa area. And then, of course, I honestly love the decor of this tent camp. Okay. So with all the drinks and everything, and other nice table here, let me check out. What is that? Useful information, Wi-Fi, breakfast, spa treatment, and transportation. Okay, so you got a feel of the inside of the tent camp. And now it's time to go out to see the pool. Okay, this is my pool. Okay, they have the chair here, the lounge chair outside facing the pond, and here you can have a good dip and soak in the private pool. Although you may question about, a little bit of the privacy facing the pond or facing other tented camp, but as you can see right now it's pretty quiet and the privacy is actually quite good. So this is my wonderful stay here. As I say, I really want to check out this product. As a luxury traveler, some new products in Phuket, which is so interesting to me. So I hope you like it too. I'm going to have breakfast here tomorrow morning. Actually, they don't have a breakfast here. I have to go to the Catch Beach Club for breakfast. So I will show you more about my experience at this hotel. Good morning. So I just wake up at the TwinPalms tent camp, and this is the environment in the morning again. So this hotel doesn't have any restaurant, so I have to go to the Catch Beach Club for breakfast. So just follow me and I will show you.